Hello, we're in Chiang Mai and we are about to go to a cooking class and we are so excited. So we've never done like a cooking class or gone to cooking school in Thailand. So we are buzzing because we are obsessed with Thai food. So we are going to Thai secret cooking school today. So they just picked us up from our hotel and brought us to a market here in Chiang Mai. We just got our menu. I'll show you a close-up of the menu. So there's like 5 different courses and we each had to pick one dish from each course. Everybody has picked their dish and we're about to go around the market now and get all the ingredients. So excited, so hungry as well, so I don't know how long we're gonna have to wait for food. I'm gonna make spring rolls, pad thai, noodle soup with chicken, a yellow curry and sticky rice with mango, which I'm probably most excited about, realistically. Thai secret cooking school, we each have our menu. We both chose different things so that we get to try a bit of almost everything. The teacher's name is May and she's really nice. It was 1,200 baht per person, including everything like all the ingredients, the pickup and like transport and everything. And it's from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. so it's like a full day. So depending, hopefully the food is nice, but I think it'll be worth the price. But yeah, we're gonna go now, have a little explore around the market and maybe get some snacks to keep us going. But that's it. Let's have a look. Now first things first. Time for a coffee. 10 baht coffee in the market. Oh, that looks nice.
Looks alright, like.
Taste it.
Jesus, really sugary.
Oh God. Just arrived to the cooking school. I think it's actually the lady's home and it is so gorgeous. Never tried it. Water life? Butterfly PT. That's nice.
Yeah. Pandan. Pandan.
Can you cut them a big long leaf? Yeah?
We can add long bean or select bean. I'm just following.
So we have our ingredients. I have pad thai. You have
Cashew.
chicken and cashew nut. Yeah. I burned it a little bit. Kind of stuck together.
Mine is totally based on keyboard.
Really?
Can't believe it. Second dish, we're making soup. I'm making chicken noodle soup. You're making
Tom yum, which is a prawn hot and sour thing.
Kinda
Soup,
spicy.
spicy soup.
how's it going?
Pretty good. Clean enough.
Very nice. Keeping your station nice and tidy, like the teacher wants. Teacher's pet. And then she said do this, and then push it back.
Then push it back.
Yeah.
Roll it.
And then
One, that's it.
roll. And then she said this. This. And then like an envelope.
Very good.
And
And roll it again. That's it.
oh,
Very good.
it's small.
It's cute. Beautiful. Beautiful.
The least flattering video.
So hot.
Tasty? Yeah?
Yeah, now I can actually taste it good now. Yeah, that's good.
Oh, give us a look. Ooh.
Look how clean Gary's bench is. Well done, and his beer. Mine could do with a clean.
Dirty.